Hey, what it is, what it do, what up, people? It's vdoestech, and look at what we got here. The LG V60 Thinq 5G dual screen. Whew, yep, got it on the first try. The very first try. This is 24 hours and my first impressions. Let's go. All right, so look, I got to do this real quick. I waited a little too long. Now you see, the phone is about to die. But look, I know this isn't new in any way. It came out around March, so it's about 8 months old, which is old news in the world of tech. But I was interested in this device at launch, but I let reviews put me off from it. And I knew the Note 20 was on its way, so I was like, look, I'll wait. But yesterday, I ran across a local deal, and it was way too good to pass up. And here we are, 24 hours later. I've had this device for a full day, and yo, this is a beast. Gorilla Glass 5 on the front, Gorilla Glass 6 on the back. But remember, at the end of the day, glass is glass. You know the rest. Aluminum frame, 6.8 OLED display with HDR10+, 128 gigabytes with expandable storage, 8 gigs of RAM, Android 10, Snapdragon 865, Adreno 650, GPU, 5G. 64 megapixel rear camera, 10 megapixel on the front, wireless charge, headphone jack with that famous hi-fi quad DAC, dual screen. I repeat, dual screen, and not to mention the under display fingerprint sensor. Okay, well, actually, let's not mention that, like, at all. It's average at best. But what's not average is the battery life on here. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery. Day one, off the charger. Let's check out the battery. As you can see, 14 hours, 10 minutes total usage off the charger. Screen usage, 7 hours, 32 minutes. Now that's included about 20 minutes of call, little bit of gaming, massive amounts of YouTube, about 40 minutes of 4K recording, some social media, GPS, 5 hours of Bluetooth headphones connected, and was connected to the dual screen case for about 90 minutes. Yo, I am impressed. And so yeah, no 90 or 120 refresh. It's a 1080p display. It does have fast charge, but not the fastest. You won't be charged up in an hour. You'll be in about the 80% range, and I bet that will be plenty. The cameras aren't bad at all. Let me drop some clips here. But as you can see from the cameras are pretty dope. But everything isn't all perfect. The LG UI, I am not a fan of in any way. I have to install Nova Launcher on almost every device, and this is no different. But yo, this is just my first 24. I'll be back in a week or so stay tuned. Like, comment, share, sub. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.